After opening new Canva project, go to Elements and type Grunge, Photos, Show Filters, and choose black color. Click Apply, and let's choose a black background. Let's choose this one. Increase the size and go to text. Type your text. Go to fonts and choose disclaimer font. Increase the size and place it in the middle. Go to effects, outline, change to white color and decrease the thickness. Let's make 4 and go to apps. Type shape cutouts, choose this app. Export design. Increase a little bit the size, click export. And select all the letters. Click cutout and add to design. Align it. And go back to elements. And let's change the filter to gray. Apply. Let's choose this one. Increase the size to cover all the text. Layer, send backward. And now drop your image, use any image. Let's use this one. Increase the size, remove the background. And layer and send backward. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.